I've had this Victorinox Swiss Army knife for, I think, about 15 years, and I've carried it with me pretty much every day since then. Some of my favorite features are this screwdriver with replaceable heads. It's generally been everything that I've needed, uh, but it can't do everything. So I've decided to go way over the top and come up with an everyday carry kit that is going to do everything. So I need to create something that keeps these all together in as small of a form factor as possible. And so I picked up this roll of leather and I'm going to start planning that out. I've been slowly plotting out all my holes and just sewing the synthetic catgut in whenever I've had time. And I'm getting to the point where I'm making final preparations for the last couple of sections. It was always going to be a lot, but it's organized and pretty easy to use. I feel like most of the time walking around and such, it's probably going to be a back pocket sort of deal.
and it's not bad there either.